Charm and upgrades collide in this Northeast Minneapolis home. My name is Kylie Binstock with the Bethany Nelson Real Estate Group, and I am excited to introduce to you our newest listing, 2015 Taylor Street Northeast. Located in the Wyndham Park neighborhood, this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is glowing from all of its recent updates. Enjoy the completely remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a beautiful subway tile backsplash. Move in with peace of mind knowing all of the mechanicals have been updated. Imagine yourself waking up in this private master suite, equipped with a full-size modern bathroom, walk-in closets, and room for a king bed and dressers. This modern floor plan with the charm of a Northeast Minneapolis home does not come on the market often. So call us today for more information before it's gone.